Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Voice of Libraries. Today we're going to explore a very important topic: patents, legal protection for inventions. A patent is a legal right granted by a government to an inventor, giving them exclusive control over their new invention for a certain period. Its main aim is to encourage innovation and promote scientific and industrial growth. The word patent comes from the Latin word patere, meaning to make open or to reveal. It's a deal. The inventor shares their invention publicly, and the government protects their rights. The term patere truly reflects the essence of a patent: to make open or to reveal. This act of public disclosure is fundamental to the patent system. It's a straightforward exchange. The inventor shares their innovation, and in return, the government provides exclusive protection, fostering a climate of creativity and advancement. The idea of patents is not new. It has a rich history that dates back centuries. The first official patent law, the Venetian Patent Act, emerged in Italy in the 15th century. Later, England's Statute of Monopolies in 1624 laid the groundwork for modern patent systems. Today, the global patent system is managed by WIPO, the World Intellectual Property Organization, a specialized agency of the United Nations. A complete patent document is a detailed record with 5 main parts, each crucial for defining the invention and its rights. These sections include the title, abstract, which summarizes the invention, and a detailed description of how it works. The claims define the legal scope of the invention, and, quote, drawings or diagrams visually explain its structure and function, solidifying the inventor's rights. Patents serve multiple vital functions, encouraging innovation and safeguarding the interests of inventors. They are critical for encouraging research and development, protecting inventors' rights, and supporting industrial and economic growth. Patents play a significant role in promoting knowledge sharing within society, ensuring that innovative ideas contribute to the collective good. In the realm of library science, patents hold a unique and important position. Patents are considered a non-conventional information source, falling under technical and government documents. Libraries, especially technical and research libraries, provide access to major patent databases like WIPO PatentScope, USPTO, and ISpaceNet, helping researchers navigate this critical information. Patents are more than just legal papers. They are the bridge between innovation and knowledge, protecting inventors and fostering creativity. For library science students, understanding patents is essential, as they represent a crucial source of technical and research information. Thanks for watching Voice of Libraries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Knowledge for everyone.